Hello everybody and welcome back to another one of my videos. Today I'm just going to do for you a very quick recipe which is Swedish meatballs. But this is just a quick one for our lunch, so I hope you all enjoy this one. Right, so this is going to be just a very quick recipe. All I've got is some frozen Swedish meatballs and I've got some tomato and herb sauce and just our spaghetti. So that's all what we're going to be using for today. Just a quick lunchtime thing. So I'm just going to light up our fire. Just get those going. Right, so I hope you're all enjoying our videos, what we're putting out. As you can see that our viewing rate has gone way down now into like the 20s and 30s or 40s. This is because of someone was I don't know what the right word for it is, would be was hacking our video and using a robot to put views on our videos. We had a copyright thing for our music which didn't belong to somebody, so I don't know if it was part of that which they lost, because our music belongs to everyone, can use our tune in the background, and this has just left a big void on my videos if I should carry on doing it or not, or what, because we had no idea this was going on until when they turned it over to monetization, and then when we realised now, I had contacted them, was on the phone for ages with them, going through everything, and they're saying that our channel had been compromised, which is a common thing which goes on when somebody doesn't like what you're doing, or someone doesn't like the content what you're putting out, which is similar to theirs or something like that. So you know, we've been through the mills, but I'm still persevering. So you know, all I'm just doing is encouraging you to just keep watching the channel. It's not easy putting out the content, especially when something like that happens. It really makes you feel discouraged. I know a lot of channels get blocked by YouTube for the content what they use, but we haven't got nothing in there what we can't use, or nothing what shouldn't be in our videos. So you know, just keep watching and follow us, and get your friends and family members to subscribe. You can leave comments in the comment section of what you want to see us do, or if there's anything that you want to see us try or anything like that, you can leave those in the comment section. We'll get back to you. So hopefully we can move on from this and build a channel up again, which is what I'm hoping to do. We're going to be putting out different content. I'm going to be doing some gardening videos as well when I'm doing my gardening, because once the weather changes, you know, I'm out in my garden a lot. I'll be doing some barbecue videos and stuff like that. So there's a lot of ideas and content what is to come out, but it's just that setback which has set me back a bit. So hopefully we should move on from there. So now I'm going to put these meatballs in. Just let those heat up a bit. So these are Swedish meatballs. You can get them in the frozen section. Now sometimes for lunchtime you just want to do a quick thing, you don't want to do a long video. But I thought I'd just come on and do a quick one and get it out of the way. Just what we're having for our lunch. So I'm just waiting for that water to come to the boil so I can get on noodles in there as well. So I think these ones are already pre-cooked, so it's just to get them heated through really. A couple of bits in there that I don't want in there, so I don't want those causing any problems. So let me just get these two bits out. So I've got this on a low heat just to heat them through. So that should be fairly quick. So as I was saying, just drop me a line, let me know what you think of the channel, how you think we're doing, if there's anything what you want to see us do, any ideas what you come up with. We're doing our gardening video every other week on a Wednesday, so we're back with the Wednesday videos. And we're going to be doing our shop brought product as well on the Wednesday after that, so that there'd be alternative. 1 week would be gardening and 1 week would be our shop brought products. So we've got our water coming to the boil now. So in there I've just got salt and a little bit of oil, which is just to keep them separate. So I'm just going to put those in. These ones are really starchy. So we'll just get those in. And I can just use that as well, just to get them right down into the water. I'm just going to turn this one down a bit as well. So once this is got to where I want it, then I'll come back to you with the rest. Right, so we've got our meatballs heated through. So now I'm going to just add the tomato sauce. So that's all our tomato sauce and everything gone in there. So just going to heat that through now as our meatballs. As you can see, our noodles are coming on nice. These are meant to be spaghetti noodles, but I've never seen them this thick before. Right, so we're just going to let this heat through, then we're almost ready. So we've got our meatballs done, and we've got our noodles done. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to plate out a plate and show you what it looks like on a plate as a quick lunchtime meal. Right everybody, so this is what it looks like on a plate. Our Swedish meatballs with some spaghetti. I hope you all enjoyed this one. Please remember to like, share and subscribe, and tell a friend to tell another friend. And if you want to leave a comment, please leave a comment in the comment section. We will get back to you on them. And thank you for watching this one, and I'll see you on the next video. Thank you.